Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. Today I wanted to share with you a bit more about the Kross DPF cleaner, a product that I will use next week just to maintain my DPF of my diesel engine in good condition. So a couple of weeks after I used the Leaky Moly Super Diesel Additive, this is something that you add in your diesel fuel. It's supposed to improve the performance, to clean the system a bit, and to increase the octane level of the diesel fuel. Generally, it's a good additive, nothing really special. Has the same functions just like the most diesel additives. But what I also used a month ago was this product, the Keratec, or whatever you call it, Leaky Moly, made in Germany. This is the more expensive additive that you put in your oil. It's supposed to give you additional coating on your engine cylinders and therefore reduce the friction in the engine. So this had been in the system for quite some time, and it's time for the third diesel additive in order to fully maintain my diesel system of my engine. The engine is 1.6 CDTI, very popular engine across Europe, but not only. It's a very nice engine with a lot of newtons, very nice engine, but it's almost 300,000 kilometers, and I had some issues before with the DPF, loss of power, increased engine temperature and stuff like that. So that's why I'm gonna try this time with the Kross DPF cleaner. How do you use this additive? Basically what you need to do is add it to around 40-50 liters of diesel fuel, and it is suggested that you drive at least 50-100 kilometers on the first run or before you go on a long run. So I'll make sure I have a bit more fuel in the tank. It's a 50 or 60 liter fuel tank, and I will add it probably before a long journey, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna improve the cleaning process of the DPF. Of course, modern cars have systems that activates themselves when a sensor detects that the DPF is not in good condition, but still some additives are recommended. So I have good hopes for this product. If you have already used it, please let me know in the comments, or any other that you can suggest for the same thing. Until now, stay tuned, subscribe. In my other videos I'll tell you more about the other two diesel additives that I recently used, some impressions and more details how to use them. And I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, and bye bye for now.